A modern industrial complex emerges from the arid desert, a beacon of quiet, efficient power.
Controlled access and meticulous order define the entrance to prime process, ensuring security.
An automated gate opens, revealing the bustling, efficient activity of the factory's receiving area. Raw donkey hides, with their authentic textures, are introduced, ready for the transformation process. A worker meticulously inspects raw donkey hides, ensuring quality from the very first step. Automated guided vehicles precisely move tagged hides across the vast, efficient warehouse floor. Raw hides begin their physical transformation, entering a powerful, automated cleaning machine.
Powerful jets and brushes vigorously clean a hide, purifying it within the washing machine.
Hides undergo rehydration in large, cylindrical vats, a calm yet crucial chemical process.
A technician samples rehydrated hide for microscopic analysis, ensuring scientific rigor and quality.
Massive, vibrant tanning drums rotate, transforming hides in a powerful symphony of industrial process. Freshly tanned hides emerge, glistening, onto a conveyor belt, signifying successful transformation. Water droplets evaporate from a drying hide under heat lamps, a serene, transformative process. Massive, vibrant dyeing drums transform hides, creating a dramatic, chromatic spectacle of industrial artistry.
A perfectly cut leather sample undergoes spectrophotometer analysis, ensuring meticulous color matching and quality.
An automated roller machine applies protective coating to hides, with a worker inspecting the output.
A quality inspector meticulously examines finished leather for flaws, ensuring dedication to perfection.
Large rolls of premium donkey leather are meticulously organized in a climate-controlled storage area.
A worker applies a branded seal to packaging, revealing a stack of ready-to-ship premium products. A branded truck departs the factory at dusk, symbolizing successful production and global distribution.
A worker places raw donkey hide onto a conveyor, beginning its transformative journey at inspection.
Raw hide enters a dehairing machine, undergoing intense mechanical action for rapid transformation.
A worker meticulously inspects a dehaired hide, ensuring human precision for a perfectly clean surface.
Hides descend into a large liming vat, a crucial, large-scale, automated chemical immersion.
A worker samples bubbling liming solution for pH, meticulously monitoring the controlled chemical reaction. A digital display shows precise pH, while a technician diligently records data, ensuring consistent quality. Delimed hides enter a fleshing machine, undergoing powerful mechanical refinement for tanning preparation.
Rotating blades precisely remove residual flesh from hides, revealing surgical precision and efficiency.
Hides enter an automated splitting machine, undergoing powerful precision cutting into uniform layers.
A razor-sharp blade precisely cuts hide into 2 layers, revealing surgical precision and efficiency.
A worker meticulously sorts split leather pieces, ensuring careful categorization and efficient material flow.
Top-grain leather enters shaving machine for precise thickness calibration, minimizing waste. A shaving machine's blade creates ultra-fine leather shavings, ensuring uniform thickness and quality.
A worker carefully collects and weighs leather shavings, demonstrating meticulous resource management and efficiency. Automated retanning drums rotate, refining leather properties in a calm, transformative chemical process.
An operator monitors a retanning drum's digital panel, ensuring scientific precision in chemical transformation.
Freshly retanned hides emerge, softer and uniform, ready for dyeing, signifying successful refinement.
A worker feeds a retanned hide into a setting-out machine, ensuring smoothing and flattening. Setting-out machine rollers gently smooth leather, removing wrinkles and enhancing its improved flatness. A technician conducts a softness test on set-out hide, ensuring optimal pliability with scientific accuracy.
Massive vacuum drying machines powerfully draw moisture from leather, a critical, silent physical process.
Fully dried hides emerge from vacuum dryer, perfectly flat and uniform, ready for the next stage.
A worker feeds a dried hide into a staking machine, emphasizing softening for desired pliability.
Staking machine arms gently knead leather, enhancing softness for premium quality with physical refinement.
A technician conducts a tear strength test on softened hide, ensuring optimal durability with scientific accuracy.
Massive, vibrant dyeing drums, filled with softened hides, slowly rotate, creating a chromatic transformation.
An operator monitors a dyeing drum's digital panel, ensuring vibrant, consistent colors.
Freshly dyed hides emerge from a drum, vibrant with color, signifying successful transformation and output.
A worker carefully spreads a freshly dyed hide onto a vacuum drying table, ensuring even flattening. Subtle suction marks appear on dyed hide, emphasizing the precise vacuum drying for flatness. A technician conducts a color fastness test, ensuring optimal color retention and durability.
Massive drying frames carry dyed hides through a tunnel, a silent, controlled final drying stage.
Fully dried, dyed hides emerge, perfectly stable and vibrant, ready for finishing. A worker feeds a dried, dyed hide into a buffing machine, enhancing its natural grain and sheen. Buffing machine brushes polished leather, enhancing its luster and refined texture for premium quality.
Massive spray finishing booths apply protective coating, showcasing controlled progress and advanced technology. A worker feeds finished hide into a plating machine, embossing a specific grain pattern for aesthetics. Plating machine rollers precisely emboss leather, creating distinct texture and surface artistry for premium quality. Automated cutting tables precisely cut leather, showcasing controlled precision and advanced technology. freshly cut leather pieces emerge from an automated table, perfectly shaped and uniform for output. A worker carefully arranges leather components into a product kit, ensuring meticulous organization and precision.
Kitted leather trays move into assembly, underscoring seamless transition from component prep to product.
Advanced robotic stitching machines precisely sew leather, showcasing controlled precision and advanced automation.
A robotic arm precisely stitches leather, ensuring flawless construction with scientific accuracy.
Freshly stitched leather components emerge, securely joined, showcasing optimal strength and aesthetics. A worker applies adhesive to leather edges, meticulously preparing components for strong, durable bonds.
A worker meticulously aligns and presses leather components, creating seamless, aesthetically pleasing bonds.
Specialized pressing machines apply controlled pressure to bonded leather, ensuring strong adhesion. A pressing machine applies even pressure, ensuring strong, flat, and durable bonded leather joins. Freshly pressed leather components emerge, perfectly strong and flat, showcasing optimal strength and aesthetics.
A worker attaches metal hardware to leather, demonstrating artisanal skill in integrating functional elements.
A worker meticulously polishes newly attached hardware, ensuring a flawless finish for premium quality.
Artisans meticulously combine leather components, transforming them into complete, luxurious products.
An artisan meticulously stitches a leather bag's final seam, showcasing human artistry and dedication.
Newly completed leather products emerge from assembly, beautiful and fully formed, ready for inspection.
A quality inspector meticulously examines finished leather, marking a tiny flaw with intense scrutiny.
A worker carefully repairs a marked flaw, seamlessly blending it for a flawless product surface.
A flawless leather product moves towards branding, symbolizing triumphant completion and organized progression.
Automated branding machines precisely emboss company logos, showcasing controlled power and advanced technology. A heated press debosses the prime process logo, ensuring a premium, lasting impression with scientific precision.
Automated branding machines precisely emboss company logos, showcasing controlled power and advanced technology.
A worker places an approved leather product into a luxurious dust bag, preparing for premium packaging.
An automated machine applies a tamper-evident seal, ensuring product integrity and luxury presentation. A worker meticulously seals shipping container doors, ensuring secure global transit for valuable cargo. A branded shipping container is hoisted onto a cargo ship, revealing the vast ocean for global distribution.
The craftsmanship here is truly exceptional. Notice the reinforced stitching on the card slots and the suppleness of the prime process leather.
A minimalist display showcases prime process leather products, revealing the elegant store interior.
The Prime Process logo is elegantly embossed on flawless leather, emphasizing brand quality and exquisite finish.
A model's hand elegantly picks up a prime process handbag, showcasing its tactile experience and desirability.
The Prime Process logo is elegantly embossed. Then, a photography setup reveals meticulous luxury presentation.
A Prime Process leather product is meticulously arranged on set, illuminated by softbox lighting, showcasing its allure.
The lighting on the duffel is perfect, but we need to ensure the Prime Process logo is consistent across all platforms.
A Prime Process luxury leather product is beautifully displayed, showcasing its premium quality and desirability.
A Prime Process leather product is captured from an artistic angle, emphasizing its sculptural form and flawless design.
A dolly tracking shot circles a Prime Process leather product, revealing its flawless construction and exquisite details.
A luxurious display of Prime Process leather products reveals the elegant store interior, inspiring desire.
A Prime Process leather product is highlighted. Then a discreet price tag reveals its premium value.
The Prime Process leather is exceptional.
It truly is. Enjoy your purchase.
Here is your purchase, madam. We hope you enjoy the Prime Process experience.
Oh, it's absolutely stunning. Thank you so much.
A customer exits the Prime Process boutique, carrying a branded bag, showcasing satisfied luxury and enduring presence.
The Prime Process industrial complex glows at dusk, symbolizing profound accomplishment and enduring legacy.